Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling only the essentials and starting the machine now. Insert a clean bobbin, thread through the tension assembly, and set initial RPM to a low value so you can feel the feed. Once done, preview the path by hand feeding 5-10 cm to confirm guides and eyelets are aligned. Make sure to lock the spindle lightly but not fully. That balance prevents snarls. This rapid start avoids wasting time on unnecessary checks and gets you spinning reliably. You now control the heart of quality, tension and feed. Turn the tension knob in small increments and watch the thread behavior. If it snaps or bounces, back off a quarter turn and reevaluate. Once done, increase feed speed gradually, about 10% jumps, so the thread lays smoothly on the bobbin. Make sure to watch the fill pattern. Uneven stacking means you must adjust the guide or change the winding angle. This technique gives consistent torque, and you finish by locking the last turn and cutting a tidy tail. Secure it in the bobbin notch or a small piece of tape so it won't unravel. Once done, spin a slow final pass to compress the layers slightly and then stop. Remove the bobbin and inspect for evenness and correct tightness. If you encounter slippage or frequent breakage, make sure to reseat the thread in the guides and reduce tension by 1/2 turn. That single troubleshooting step fixes most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.